Namaste, Prakash here. Today I wanted to share a spiritual secret for very fast progress in our spiritual pursuit towards the goal. Hi. Why am I saying hi? Hi actually is the acronym which stands for the three words which would, when you are able to learn it, internalize it, practice it, make it literally your life force, you are up for the faster spiritual progress from wherever you are to the ultimate goal in this lifetime. Of course, you need to add the other practice elements and all that because that's what it is all about. Let me get to the acronym of HAI or HI. HA stands for humility, being humble. We all know theoretically what it means to be humble, but the day we are able to internalize and become truly humble is when we have covered 1/3 of the journey literally in no time. The second letter, A, stands for anonymity. The world does not need people, at least the spiritual world does not need people who keep on saying that I did this, I did that. Look at any of the nature's work. None of the work would come forward and say that I did this for you. Even our own gurus, at every turn of our life, every moment of our life, they're always with us, protecting us, caring for us, nurturing us, nourishing us, taking us forward in the worst of situations. Yet they don't come forward and say that I did this for you, or I did this in so and so occasion, things like that. Not at all. So the next 1/3 of the journey coverage is done by anonymity. So we have seen two important elements, humility and anonymity. The third one, I, stands for insignificance. Literally, where you truly believe that you are as low as an amoeba when it comes to our existence. Imagine the world has gone through from the time of creation, according to what scientists say, it's about 15 billion years. It has gone through, it has seen everything that can ever be seen. We are nothing special, we are nothing great. Yet our egos keep on saying that we are something great, we are indispensable, we are the best in the world, and things like that. As long as you have this inflated ego which makes you believe that you are significant, you are indispensable, and things like that, the progress to a great extent can be retarded. So the next 1/3 of the journey, making it 100%, much faster than what we are currently progressing, taking us towards an exponential growth, comes from the third element called as truly feeling insignificant, which actually we are. Do we realize? Theoretically, maybe once in a while, yes, but practically, do we? When we put these three words together, internalize and practice, let's be assured, at least on the theoretical front, that we have at least learned theoretically what it takes to be on the fastest track to the goal that is possible in one single human life. Humility, anonymity, insignificance. Is it worth thinking about? Thank you.